Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to clear out your YouTube search recommendations. So first of all, just open up Google Chrome, then go on to youtube.com. Once you're on youtube.com, click on the top right corner, then click on your data in YouTube. Now scroll down a little bit. Now over here where it says YouTube watch history, you have to click on manage your YouTube watch history. Now scroll down. Now you'll see this button called delete. Click on it, and then you have to delete the entire history because YouTube recommendations are based on your watch history. So if you want to reset it, you'll have to delete all of your history. So just click on delete all time, then just click on delete. Once you do that, your YouTube recommendation will be resetted. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you guys want more videos like this.